Hi friends, today we're reading What in the World? Numbers in Nature by Nancy Rains Day, illustrated by Kurt Cyrus. What in the world comes one by one? A nose, a mouth, the moon, the sun. What in the world comes two by two? A pair of birds with wings of blue. What in the world comes grouped in threes? Leaves of a clover, bodies of bees. What in the world comes four by four? Petals of poppies, hooves, and more. What in the world comes five by five? The arms of sea stars all alive. What in the world comes six by six? The twiggy legs of walking sticks. What in the world are there seven of? Colors and rainbows arched above. What in the world comes eight by eight? Octopus limbs that undulate. What in the world comes grouped in nines? Stickleback fishes' prickly spines. What in the world comes 10 by 10? Fingers and toes that wiggle and bend. And what comes in sets too big to count? Stars in the sky. A vast amount. Oh, stars are so beautiful. THEEND, the end. Thanks for reading with me today, friends.